Bye. So it's me again, and for today, it's Def Leppard time. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Before anything else, you see that white thing in my nose? Yeah, I'm so annoyed with it, but I'm too lazy to refilm everything. So yeah, let's just move on. I'm thinking. Okay. I'm thinking I might do a video about my band shirts or my concert shirts one of these days. I haven't had a lot, but what I have, quite some of it, a lot of them upstairs. Not that much, but yeah, because I can't afford buying tickets. So I just see what I go. Also, I just want to have the Fuel shirt because I like the band, but I ran out of shirts when I got there. It was just a small concert, so I just got the cap, which is not sufficient, but that's good enough. Anyway, for today, we're gonna talk about this one here. Yes, it's the wirelessgo from Rode. Again, there are lots of reviews. There are lots of talks about it on YouTube and on Facebook and everywhere. Like, this is a mind-blowing wireless receiver, microphone, lavalier, whatever. Yeah. Let me just try to read it. Okay. So yeah, this is a compact wireless microphone system, just like the lav mics that you use, like whenever I do videos for weddings, and whenever we shoot wedding videos, sometimes we put a microphone here and goes to the camera right away. So we need a wireless receiver. And also for same day edits, I do same day edits also with my photos. Same day edits are like those photos of the day. I try to edit them, put them on the computer, edit them, and then put some audio on it, put some music, and do a slideshow. Most of the times when we go to the venues, they don't have set up audio. So what we do is, like, sometimes the projector is that far and the sound system is this far here, so we can't have a long line from the computer to the projector and everything else. But anyway, we do it wirelessly. We use this one here for our same day edits. Oh, actually, I used the old one. This is the thing we're gonna try to unbox today. So yeah. Okay, the old setup that we have, we use this one here. It's the Rode Link, and this is the transmitter. So you can see how big it is compared to the wirelessgo. This is like two of them to one. So we use this. This is where we put on the audio from the computer or from the microphone from this person speaking, and then we're gonna throw it all the way to the receiver, wherein you're gonna put it on a sound system, an amplifier, a mic jack, or anything. That way we can put sound out. Like, we can put it on a computer, we can put it on we can put it on an amplifier, not a computer. We can put it on the camera. Yeah, just to put the sound out there wirelessly. This is what we use. Yep. So right now, I'm not the best person to talk about this. If you want a good review, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to unbox it, because there are lots of reviews online, and I pretty think this is very good. The Sennheiser has their own small wireless receiver also, but a lot of the reviews like this, because you can change the gain or the gain, the volume or the gain for the audio, and it's so tiny, and it has a built-in microphone, so it's really handy. Again, I'm not very good with. I'm not the best person to talk about. Again, I'm not the best person to do a scientific, clear, good review. So I'm just here to unbox the box. Yeah. I keep on looking at the LCD. I'm not used to it. Anyway, I should look at there in the camera. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get used to it. Let's go and unbox this thing. Yeah. So I don't usually film a lot of unboxing, but for this case, yes. Here is the wirelessgo from Rode. Let's check it out. Okay. First of all, the box. It's so good. It's tiny. It's not that big. Has all the information at the back. Really looks good. Yeah, that's just it. Nothing to it. Gonna get my trusty Swiss knife and then get the smaller blade. Supposed to cut it on the side. So there's a price here, but I'm not gonna show you how much it is. But yep, let's slide it out. It's tough to slide. Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. So from the box, you just remove the tapes on the side, slide it, wirelessgo. Yep, and then has this one here. From here. Oh, there you go. When you open it, see the instructions. Quick start guide. There you go. There's the roadie. I don't know how to get it. I don't know how. I don't want to break it. There you go. Okay, so you remove the top part, and underneath you can see the wind muff, the red wire connector, regulatory and safety information, another one, so this one here, and the case. Yep, roadie case, that's empty. The case, the cables, the wind muff, another wind muff here. So there are two of these thingies. And how do you get this without breaking it? You just slide it down. Slide it up there. Get the USB thing here, cable, like this. I like it when they put things like these to keep your cables. So good job, Rode. And this one here is like, two cables. So have two cables for two of them. That's good. Okay, that's just it. So we'll get all the boxes, set them aside. So information. Okay, there's everything. This is the transmitter, and of course it transmits the sound. This is where you plug your microphone. This is the microphone itself, the built-in microphone. This is the wind jammer or wind muff, and this is the receiver. This is the button for the gain. This is the linking button, charging, output, and what's this? Power? Yep, it's power. Is it charged? Oh, it's charged. Awesome. Let's turn this on. Yep, blue. Blue means it's connected. And yeah, as I'm speaking, it's also, the microphone's on. So as I'm speaking, it's like, oh, this is really cool. This is really cool. Okay, a lot of reviewers out there are saying that once you put this one here, the wind jammer or the wind muff or the dead cat or something, you just snap this here. How do you do that? I'm just a newbie here. So you just snap it there, and yeah, you have a wind jammer already, so that should work. But it usually gets removed. Like you just, it's stuck. Yeah, so it easily gets removed. You need to put something here, that way when you're vlogging or you're filming, the wind is not gonna disturb it. So I looked into all my old gears, and I remember to have this one here, the mic cover. It's for DSLRs and everything else. So I use this for my RX 100. Like they look like these. Okay, so what we can do is we can get one of these. There are two options. Like we can get this one here. and then maybe cut it, and then we're gonna use the double-sided thingy. This one here, the double-sided thing. Put it over there, and then put it here. So you can just tape that. So it's gonna look like that. That should look fine. Actually, I'm using this one here for my RX 100, and it works fine. Like, look at that. That's for my RX 100. I use that one to dampen the wind noise, and it works. Sometimes it doesn't, but yeah. If I put it here, I just cut this out, and then put this here. That should work. Well, we'll just try this first, and if this doesn't work as much as I wanted to, then we're gonna go this path. Yep. Yeah, awesome. Okay, I love recording my audio on my SM57, the Shure SM57, which is a dynamic microphone that you use for instruments and everything else. So yeah, I really like this microphone here, and it's connected to my H5 Zoom. But right now I'm gonna try the onboard mic from the camera. That's what I use for vlogging most of the times. Or I have this Video Mic Pro, but we're just gonna I have the Video Mic Pro Plus, which is one of the best from Rode. I'm gonna use that microphone, though this room here has a lot of echoes, but listen to the audio. Okay, and that is the audio from the microphone that's in front of me. That's the Video Mic Pro Plus, and it's from Rode, and it's a shotgun mic, like it's on the camera on top of it, but as I'm speaking now, this room has a lot of echo, so you can hear a lot of echo and a lot of other external noises. So that's how they sound. Let's try out this one here. So I'm recording the audio right now from this one here, the Rode wirelessgo, which is so near my mouth. The gain is on set to the lowest because this one is kind of hot, just like peaking right away. So this is how it sounds if it's near my mouth. This is how it sounds if it's a bit further from my mouth, like this far. This is the onboard microphone, so this is how it sounds. If we're in a hurry, we're shooting a wedding or we're shooting an event and we need to put a microphone on a celebrant or groom or anything, we could put it somewhere here near the coat, and this is how it sounds if we're going to use the built-in microphone. And this is unedited because I don't know how to edit audio because I don't have the software. If I have the software, I can edit it, but yeah, this is how it sounds. Okay, now I have this lav mic from Rode. I can try to connect it directly to the wirelessgo. Let's try that one. So this is how the lav mic sounds under the Rode wirelessgo. I keep on forgetting the name as usual because I don't prepare my vlogs, but this is how it sounds. If we're going to put it here, this is where we put it near the jacket. So this is how it sounds. Yeah, this is how it sounds. It's set to the lowest setting. I'm going to try to raise up a bit. This is the second setting. I think it's speaking right now. It's too strong, and I think my camera audio is a bit loud. So this is how it sounds. This is how it sounds. This is the full sound, and I don't want to finish it because I think it's speaking that much, but it's coming kind of hot. But yeah, this is how it sounds. So I put it back to the lowest setting right now, and yeah, this is how it sounds with a lav mic. But for using it when I'm vlogging, I want to use it without this lav mic, so I prefer using this. And yeah, just clip it here or somewhere near there, and I can talk. So I can say the quick brown fox jumps over the 10 lazy dogs or something like that. So this is how it sounds on the lowest setting. What do you think? I still prefer the sound of this, but I can't bring this everywhere, and I need the setup. But for easy mounting, when I'm on an event, I'm shooting a wedding, I'm shooting a speaker or somebody, so I use this. Hey guys, this is the future me, and I've tested this out on a very loud environment. We were shooting a wedding, and I can't even hear myself talking. Like, it was really loud, but the microphone picked up my voice good. It wasn't peaking, it was perfect. So I highly recommend this one here. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you a sample of the video, but the thing is, yeah, just pardon the dialect because I'm speaking in my own language. Okay, here it is. Paabot lang ako magsugod. Ako migo, nag-edit pa na ito. Busy kayo. Doon yung book SDA. So, unlike sa Pinas, makadong maka mo sa audio pro. Mag-explain ko after lang gyapon ako. After na ko kanang shoot, mag-explain ko pa doon ako ulit. Okay, that's enough for now. I'm gonna get something to eat. Yeah, that's it for now. So, thanks and see you then. Bye. Yeah, I need to say bye. Like in Bisaya, it says mate. It means mate. But yeah, it's bye. 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 Like parts, like bye. But it's awkward when I'm speaking English. It doesn't match. I'm trying to match it saying bye, and in English I keep on sounding like bye. Like bye. Like it's really awkward. I should get used to it. Anyway, that's what I'm saying. Bye.